Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning. Hopefully you are fine in this unrest situation. Well, we are also fine. So let me introduce myself first. This is Ibrahim Khalil Lemon, assistant teacher in English, Halishore Cantonment Public School and College. So today we are going to start English second paper for the student of class 6 to 10. Actually, today we are going to enjoy the basics of changing sentence. So changing sentence is very easily, but today we are going to start very beginning of the changing sentence. So the learning outcomes of this changing sentences are, that means after learning changing sentence, you will be able to know the different forms of sentences. You will be able to know the rules of changing sentences. You'll be able to change the sentences according to the directions. As we know, this is the most difficult part of our academic career. So that's why I would like to go step by step so that you can enjoy the whole class and you can enjoy the rules and examples of it. So let's come. So first I'd like to start with the definition. What is changing sentence? In Bangla we can say কোনো সেন্টেন্স বা বাক্যকে তার মিনিং বা অর্থ অনুসারে এবং স্ট্রাকচার বা গঠন অনুসারে অন্য বাক্যের পরিবর্তন করাকেই চেঞ্জিং সেন্টেন্স বা বাক্যের পরিবর্তন বলে. So if we go through in English, if a sentence is changed according to its meaning and structure, is called changing sentence. So now come another one, kinds of changing sentence. So how many changing sentences are there? Generally, in changing sentence, there are two categories. One is conversion, another one is transformation. So let's come to the definition of these two and differences also. Difference between conversion and transformation. So actually, most of us don't know about the difference between conversion and transformation. Actually, we know that only the transformation. What is conversion? Most of the case we don't know. So that's why let's come to the point, very important point, difference between conversion and transformation. What conversion is? Conversion actually, in which sentence meaning will be changed and structure will be also changed. That is called conversion. For example, we can say he's a good boy. So if this is a sentence, if we can change it or convert it in this conversion, so we can say he is not a good boy. So here using not, the structure of sentence is changed. Actually, the given example is an affirmative sentence and the answer of it is a negative sentence by using not. Along with, we can see the meaning of the sentence will be changed. For example, he is a good boy. That means সে ভালো ছেলে. But when we change it or convert it to negative, so he is not a good boy. That means সে ভালো ছেলে, সে একজন ভালো ছেলে না. That means সে খারাপ ছেলে. So the meaning has been changed also. So to sum up, we can say conversion. What is conversion? When a sentence is changed both meaning and structure, that is called conversion. So now let's come to the transformation. If we understand conversion easily, so I think it will be easy for you to understand transformation. In that transformation, we have to keep in mind that meaning won't be changed, only structure will be changed. That means in which sentence only structure will be changed without changing any meaning. It's called transformation. If we say, we can say, or we can see the example, he's a good boy. So in Bangla, she ekjon bhalo chele. But whenever we change it by transforming or in the transformation, so the negative is he is not a bad boy. So that means she bhalo kharap chele na. So the meaning is same. That means she bhalo chele. So the meaning of the both sentence is same. So that is actually the difference between conversion and transformation. If we go through in a nutshell, or we can say in summary, conversion where meaning and structure will be changed, transformation where structure will be changed without changing the meaning. That is the difference. So let's come to next. What is transformation? So actually we have got the idea from the difference between conversion and transformation. What transformation is? So let's come again. What is transformation of sentence? In Bangla, কোনো সেন্টেন্স বা বাক্যের মিনিং বা অর্থ পরিবর্তন না করে, অর্থাৎ মিনিং বা অর্থ ঠিক রেখে শুধু বাক্যের স্ট্রাকচার বা গঠন পরিবর্তন করাকেই ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ সেন্টেন্স বলে. So if we go through in English, that becomes, if we change a sentence by structurally without changing any meaning, it's called transformation. So let's come to some examples. Here are some examples. So the first one, give an example, affirmative. The boy is active. So if we change it in transformation, that means if we transform it another sentence in negative, so it will become the boy is not lazy. So here we have done only two things. After the be verb we use negative auxiliary, and in the given sentence the modifying word will be the antonym word. So that means will be the opposite word of modifying word. So here active is a modifying word, so that's why opposite of this lazy, so we used lazy. So that's why the sentence becomes negative very easily. So here the meaning will be same, but the structure has been changed. The boy is active, that means balokti kormotho. The negative meaning is that the boy is not lazy, that means balokti kormotho noy. Sorry, balokti olos noy, that means balokti kormotho. The meaning is same, but the only structure has been changed. So that is a transformation. Let's come to the second example. So if we say active, someone stole my phone. Here the main verb is stole is a past form, that means it's past indefinite tense. So if we go through it into passive, so my phone was stolen. Here it has been changed according to the structure, but the meaning is same. For example, someone stole my phone, কেউ আমার ফোনটি চুরি করেছিল, and the passive is my phone was stolen, আমার ফোনটি চুরি হয়েছিল. The meaning is also same with these two sentences, but the structure has been changed from active to passive. So that's why there is also the transformation. If we come to the last example, the first one, that means given example is an affirmative. He is always late in the class. So this sentence is an affirmative sentence. But if we go through the negative, so definitely we have to use a negative auxiliary, and then we have to change the modifying word by giving antonym or by giving opposite word of it. So here always is an adverb and late is a modifying word. So that's why we can use he is never punctual in the class. So here never is a negative adverb, as always is an adverb given in the first sentence. So late is a modifying word, so opposite of late is punctual. So that's why punctual has been used in opposite of late in the sentence. So that's why meaning hasn't been changed, but only the structure has been changed. So if we go through the meaning, he is always late in the class. সে ক্লাসে সব সময় দেরি দেরি করে. But the negative is he is never punctual in the class. সে কখনোই ক্লাসে যথাসময়ে আসে না. So that means সে সব সময় ক্লাসে দেরি করে. So the meaning is same in case of both two sentences. So this is actually about the transformation. Now let's come to some other functional works of transformation. So transformation of sentence কে function বা কার্যকারিতার উপর ভিত্তি করে চার ভাগে ভাগ করা হয়েছে. So let's see what are these four factors or four functions. So here the transformation actually has been divided in four categories. I mean, because of their activities or because of their functions. So the first one, meaning of sentence. The second one, voice change. The third one, degree of comparison. Fourth one, structural sentences. So here we know the very easy thing that in meaning of sentence, so we know there are 5 sentences in case of meaning. So the first one, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and then exclamatory sentence. So if we go through from assertive to exclamatory, or assertive to interrogative, or assertive to imperative, or assertive to optative, or assertive to exclamatory, and vice versa, these are called the transformation, meaning of sentences in transformation. So let's come to the second one, that is voice change. Here there are two kinds, active and passive. If we go through active to passive and passive to active, so these are called voice change in transformation. And let's come to the third, degree of comparison. So you know there are three kinds, positive, comparative, and superlative. If you go through positive to comparative, and positive to superlative, and comparative to superlative, or superlative to comparative, and vice versa, so these are called degree of comparison in transformation. So let's come to the last one, structural sentence. So you know there are also three kinds, simple, complex, and compound. So if we go through simple to complex and simple to compound, again complex to compound, and compound to simple. So these are called structural sentences in transformation. So basically these are the functions of transformation of sentence. If we know very deeply in this sort of functions very clearly. So the transformation, that means the changing sentence, will be very easy for you, definitely. And you, in your academic level, definitely you will get 10 out of 10 in changing sentence. So you don't have, or you won't have any confusion after going through this step by step. So in that class, actually I have wanted to inform you the basic of changing sentence. So actually these are the basic of changing sentences, so that you can understand very easily about the basic of changing sentences. So the next part will be studied from the meaning of sentences, that means from assertive sentence, from affirmative to negative. So dear student, hopefully you have enjoyed my class. If you have any query, so please, there's a comment box. You please write a comment instantly and you will get the feedback very soon. So till then, thank you very much and thank you all. Goodbye.